We're going to verify this identity, start with the more complicated side, and also look at what is our goal. We're trying to get just sine on one side. So maybe it would be a good idea to change or express everything in terms of sine and cosine and the hoping that something will cancel. So I'm going to start there. I know that tangent is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta, and that's times cotangent, which is equivalent to 1 over tan, but actually instead of doing it that way, I'm going to call it, let's call it cosine of theta over sine theta. That would be more productive. So I've got my numerator there, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the denominator. That's cosecant, and that can be expressed as 1 over sine of theta. So it's a little bit of a mess right now, but if you notice, some things are going to start to cancel. Sine over cosine is going to divide to 1, and cosine over cosine is going to divide to 1. So let's rewrite that. So we have 1 in the numerator, all divided by 1 over sine of theta. Now, if you recall, we can divide by something, or instead, sometimes it's a lot easier to multiply by the reciprocal, especially in cases where we're dealing with fractions. So I'm going to take that 1, and instead of dividing by the fraction 1 over sine, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction, which would be sine of theta over 1. And that would simplify pretty easily into sine of theta. And now I'm equal to the right-hand side, and I've finished my verifying of the identity.